Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to change WhatsApp to a business account. So, let's dive right in. A WhatsApp business account unlocks a bunch of features beneficial for businesses. You can create a professional profile with your business name, description, and contact information. It also allows you to set automated greeting messages, categorize customers, and even use labels for better organization. Keep in mind that you can't convert your existing WhatsApp Messenger account directly to a business account. You'll need to download the separate WhatsApp business app. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone, and download the WhatsApp business app. Open the app and agree to the terms of service. You'll then be prompted to enter your business phone number. WhatsApp will send a verification code via SMS. Enter that code to confirm. Here's a bonus step for Android users. If you want to transfer your chat history from your regular WhatsApp to your business account, you'll get a prompt during the setup process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to migrate your chats. Unfortunately, this option isn't available for iPhone users. Now, it's time to create your professional profile. The app will guide you through adding your business name, a short description, and a profile picture. You can also add your website and email address for easy customer contact. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.